Today we are having a chocolate fondue party for a toddler. And we all know toddlers can be picky, but this is a fun idea that everyone will love, even the adults too. So keep watching so you won't be stressed for your next party. Today is going to be a fun, fruity-filled, chocolatey video. And then this is her birthday cake right here. You know, they already took off the candy pieces. And then Porter then came over here and tried to get into her birthday cake already. You see that? I know. That's chocolate on top. So I guess the theme for this birthday is chocolate drip. Look, she cannot wait. But this is the birthday girl. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're going to go ahead and prep the fruit to go ahead and dip these in. But for the fruit, we have some cantaloupe, pineapples, mangoes. You can use whatever you want, strawberries, bananas, you know, whatever you have on hand. And originally, I was going to use these sticks, you know, just to go ahead and put the fruit on the sticks. But it's going to be even funner with the fondue maker. And then I have some donuts here that I'm just going to chop up into little bite-sized pieces that can go on the stick too. So if you've always struggled with cutting up a pineapple, make sure y'all keep watching because I'm going to show you how to do this the easy way where I can just cut this with no problem. Look, tell me this doesn't make you want to make your own fruit bowl right now. Only thing that I wish I would have had was some strawberries, but that's okay. You can put some grapes in here, whatever you want. Just make it your own. And then you see I kept the little pineapple top right there to make it look more festive because, again, this is for the party. So this is what the fruit is looking like, and it's so sweet and good. I don't know how you don't eat fruit if you're not a fruit lover, but you have to eat your veggies and fruit up in here, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and start the fondue part. Just like we did for the chocolate bombs, we're gonna use that same type of chocolate. So just go ahead and drop the chocolate in there. And then
Oh,
put
and
it on
also you can use it for sneaking a piece too.
Alright. And all you gotta do is just put the chocolate in there. And this thing worked real fast in like 2 seconds. And look, he had to throw his little extra chocolate in there. So what's this?
These are sea salt.
This white chocolate?
No, this is chocolate.
Okay, milk chocolate.
Yeah. And this is Dolce de Leche.
Dolce de leche.
De Leche?
It's smooth milk chocolate, both of them.
Yeah, both of them. Lindor, they're truffles.
So he's gonna go ahead and add that to the pie. You know, make it a little bit more rich. And then they come in, you know, packaged up just like that. And y'all make sure y'all get ready because we're gonna be starting these live videos soon. You know, doing stuff just like this. That's the only thing with these. You gotta individually unwrap everything. Any say you need more cream.
What white chocolate?
We bought this for Emmy for Christmas, so this is only our second time using this. And then tell them what we like with the chocolate. That was so funny though.
Oh my God.
It was actually bomb though.
Sausage.
Sausage. The little sausage link.
Oh,
Yes.
sausage links is bomb in the fondue pot.
Oh my God. I know it sounds crazy.
It sounds crazy, y'all, but
don't
trust
knock
me.
it till you try it.
Don't knock it, because I was knocking it, and then I tried it, and I was like, oh my God again. It smells so good standing over top of this. I wish y'all could have smell-o-vision.
And then just show them how to do it real quick.
Alright, so we're gonna get a test piece, y'all, because this is done, and it's ready.
Alright, so Daddy gonna go in with the donut. Gotta show y'all how to do this. And this is your own, you know, like the melting pot restaurant. It's the same type of thing, but do it at home.
That's bomb.
So you just gotta do it real fast.
Yeah, because if you press it too hard, it's gonna...
That one little container, that's all you really need.
Oh, you're wrong for that.
Try a piece of that mango.
Good. Look, the only thing we didn't have was the strawberry for the chocolate strawberry lovers, but that's okay. It's still good with the mango, the fruit, and the cantaloupe. And this is some cheeseburger dip that we're going to put on the french fries. If y'all want to see how we made this, just go ahead and comment. I want to know in the bottom.
May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless Kiki. May God bless you. Blow out your candles.
Make a wish.
All right. Look, it was so bomb, I had to get myself together. So look, thank y'all for liking. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for commenting. Even thank y'all for disliking. Just keep it up. Keep the engagement up. We love y'all. Thank y'all for coming out again and seeing this video. We'll see y'all on the next one.